The connections I have made for this project are as follows. Here's a Node MCU chip, and I'm using the underside of this to feed into the LCD and the relay via jumper cables. The relay actually requires only one signal from the Node MCU chip, which is this wire over here, connecting to the D3 on the Node MCU. The OLED, the display, actually requires 4 cables, 2 of which are power and the other 2 are signal. This uses the I2C signaling protocol, so the signal wires are referred to as SCL and SDA, and the SCL and SDA are from pins D1 and D2 on the Node MCU. What about the other wires? The other 2 wires are just VCC and ground for the LED and the VCC and ground for the relay. These are also from the 3.3 volt and ground pins on the Node MCU. The Node MCU is now powered by 3.3 volts and ground from the DC power supply. So that is from the that's the 12 volts coming from the wall wart, which is stepped down by this buck voltage converter just under the Node MCU over here. This buck converter is a very interesting device. It takes DC voltage as the input and DC voltage as the output. The flashing display on the buck converter is actually showing the voltage it has at the output, which is stepped down from the 12 volts at the input. Input of this can range from 1 to 35 volts, and the output is also 1 to 35 volts, so less than the input. That's it.